You have probably spent way too much money on razors that promise the world, but just end up leaving your neck a red, irritated mess. I recently picked up this new compact electric shaver from a brand known for making high-tech gadgets accessible. And it looks like it belongs in a high-end design museum, rather than on a bathroom counter. It is remarkably small. It fits right in the palm of your hand with this smooth, matte finish that feels incredibly premium. Usually, when things are this sleek and portable, they sacrifice power or durability, but that is simply not the case here. This little device uses a clever triple blade system that actually floats independently. Think about the unique curves of your jaw and neck for a moment. Most budget shavers act like a flat board, hitting the bony parts of your chin and completely missing everything in the hollows underneath. This one bends. It pivots. It follows the actual shape of your face, which means you are not constantly going over the same spot 5 times. Nobody has time for that kind of repetition when they are trying to get out the door. I was particularly impressed by how it handles different types of hair. Whether you have that fine, light stubble or that thick, scratchy 2-day growth, it just glides right through without any of that painful tugging or pulling that makes your eyes water. You can use it dry when you are in a massive rush, and it does a surprisingly clean job. However, if you have sensitive skin, you can lather up with some foam or gel and use it right in the shower. It is fully water resistant, which is a massive win for anyone who hates cleaning up tiny hairs from the bathroom sink. Speaking of maintenance, the cleaning process is basically effortless. You do not have to take it apart like a complex puzzle or use a tiny, annoying brush. You just rinse the head under the tap, and you are done. It stays hygienic and sharp with almost zero effort. Let's talk about the battery because this is where most portable grooming tech fails us. They used a standard universal charging port. This is huge. No weird proprietary cables that you will inevitably lose in a hotel drawer or have to carry around in a separate bag. You just use the same cord you use for your phone or your tablet. One full charge gives you about an hour and a half of continuous runtime. If you shave for 5 minutes a day, that is weeks of use before you even think about plugging it back in. There is even a clear light on the handle that tells you exactly how much juice is left, so you never get caught halfway through a shave with a dead battery. It is not perfect for everyone, though. If you are looking for something to style a very specific, sharp-edged beard or trim your sideburns with surgical precision, this is not a multi-tool. It does one thing, and it does it very well. It shaves your face smooth. There are no fancy attachments or tiny scissors hidden inside. It is a minimalist tool for a minimalist routine. For someone who travels a lot or just wants to declutter their grooming kit, this is a total game changer. It feels sturdy, it looks great, and it just works. You are getting that high-end experience without the typical luxury price tag. If you are tired of those cheap plastic disposables or those bulky, loud clippers, this little powerhouse is the upgrade you deserve. It is efficient, it is quiet, and it actually treats your skin with respect.